Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and today I wanted to share some kitchen cleaning motivation. I like to give the kitchen a deeper clean about once a month just to reset it. The first thing I like to do is just get the countertops clean and the sink cleaned out so that I have some room to work. Next, I started emptying the fridge. Leftovers tend to get lost in the back, so I like to give it a deeper clean as well. Instead of taking everything out all at once, I'm just going to clean it shelf by shelf. That tends to make it easier for me. I feel like there are certain cleaning tasks that I tend to procrastinate, like cleaning the refrigerator and the oven, until they get really messy and really need a cleaning. But once they're done, it feels so satisfying to have them be sparkling clean again. I feel like things multiplied between taking them out and putting them back into this drawer because it felt like a puzzle getting them back in. Next, I wanted to tackle the oven. As you can see, it's kind of a mess. I don't like using harsh chemicals in our house, so I don't use an oven cleaner. This is just an all-purpose method spray. As you can see, the oven doesn't turn out looking brand new, but I felt like it was good enough. It's not about perfection, right? I did try and use a little bit of abrasive cleaner on the burnt-on bits in the oven and the window, and that was somewhat successful. If you have a good natural method for cleaning your oven, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Next, I cleaned the glass top of our stove. These glass top stoves tend to get these weird discolorations every time you cook, so I like to use a specific glass top cleaner about once a week to kind of scrub those out. The shelves over our stove tend to get pretty dusty and greasy as well, just because they're right over where we're cooking, so I like to give those a little tidy as well. While I'm cleaning in the kitchen, I like to give my plants a little water. This is a Queen's Tears bromeliad. It has really cool pink blooms when it flowers. Next, I'm going to clean the lower cabinet fronts. When we moved into this house, the lower cabinets were a dark green color and the interiors of the cabinets are still dark green. But I felt like the color was too dark for the kitchen, so I painted them white. Unfortunately, the paint's chipping pretty badly now and they never look particularly clean, so I'm hoping to sand them down and repaint them sometime this year. The whole kitchen is really on my list to remodel, but I think it'll be several years before we get to it, so I'm trying to make the best of it in the meantime. Finally, I like to give the floors a quick sweep and mop. I feel like this really gives the whole kitchen a nice shiny finish. Thank you so much for being here today. If you enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe as well. Take care, everyone, and I hope to see you soon.